Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something really powerful, Manus AI. Most businesses spend hundreds of dollars every month doing repetitive tasks like competitor research, content analysis, or channel auditing. But what if I told you all of that can be automated? That's exactly what Manus AI does. What is Manus? Manus is not just another chatbot. It's an AI agent, meaning it can browse websites, analyze data, and complete tasks automatically without constant human supervision. The real cost of repetitive work. Think about all the hours wasted on repetitive tasks, creating reports, checking competitors, analyzing trends. Normally, this costs hundreds of dollars and a lot of time. What is a skill? In Manus AI, a skill is a standard operating procedure, SOP, for the AI. You teach it exactly how to do a task, step by step, and it can repeat it perfectly anytime. Demo 1. Using a pre-built skill. Let me show you a skill already built for YouTube channel analysis. I just select the skill, enter the channel URL, and Manus starts working. Watch Manus browse and analyze automatically. Manus opens the website, checks analytics, reviews content, and compiles insights, all automatically. No clicks, no waiting for a human. It's instant. Full competitor analysis result. Within minutes, I have a complete competitor report. Top performing videos, engagement metrics, keyword insights, content gaps. Demo 2. Creating your own skill. Now, I'll show you how to teach Manus a new task. Step 1. Complete your task first. First, I manually do the task once so Manus can observe the process. Content brief creation demo. I create a content brief. Manus watches and learns. Step 2. Use Skill Creator to package it. Next, I use the Skill Creator to package the process into a reusable skill. Verify your new skill works. I test it once, and Manus executes the task flawlessly, including connectors and tools and skills. I can also include external tools or connectors so Manus integrates multiple platforms seamlessly. The power move, chaining skills. Finally, you can chain skills together so Manus performs multiple tasks in sequence automatically. This is why Manus AI is a game changer for businesses and creators. It saves time, reduces costs, and automates tasks that usually take hours. If you want, I can create another video showing step-by-step how to set up your first Manus AI skill. Thank you for watching.